Box 1486. Engine company 14 is due 2217.
Rush 136 headquarters. We're heading to 200 Pine Grove Road.
Headquarters, Chief 114, responding.
Chief 114. 22. Spoke to residents on Seneca. They believe they're going to be okay.
Engine 141 responding, Ops 4. Electrical hazard. Still finding calls at this hour. It's going to be a long night for fire, rescue, and EMS.
Hello, York County, Mickey 6 and a half available.
Copy that, Seneca's clear. And then you're going to go to 4 Grinnell next. Grinnel.
Yep, respond to boss call.
Going from call to call.
Perfect 269, 2013.
It's going to be a long night.
4 Grinnell, spell that again.
Get some, brothers. Get some.
Chief 29 for headquarters. Team apparatus. Pretty good. Grinnel.
Headquarters, G13, clear 101 Clarkton, 928 Hummel, and 12th in Indiana, please. Okay, Chief.
Okay. You got me about the pit stop?
Headquarters, Rescue 14 is responding to boss calls.
Rescue 14.
Rescue 14,
Connections, crisis 190.
Crisis 198.
193
193.
is unavailable.
Okay, Chris 193.
Engine 14, could you swing by the station and drop Rob Zuki off to get the truck?
Chief 114, you're still on firewall.
Okay, do a channel for us.
No, I do not. You can use your company channel for now.
Okay. Company 29 is available.
Company 29.
Okay, company 29. 2019.
Mechanicsburg.
Chief 12 from 324.
Headquarters, traffic 30s.
Go ahead.
On the scene of the crash.
Yeah, we're here at Valley and Chiefburg. We have one. Did you already clear it?
Come on, that Mickey 183 is available.
Headquarters, engine 313 is responding. Alright, we'll cross reference.
I'm going live weapons, not quiet.
South Middleton Township, 110, East Countryside Drive, CO alarm, box 23602, engine company 36, ladder 36 is due 2219.
B183.
Headquarters, traffic 50 on the scene.
I don't have that. Is it tree or tree and wires? Hey, traffic 50.
Headquarters on Ops 5 from engine 22. We'll be clearing 302 East Green Street. We'll advise next location. Engine 22.
No wires. Tree is down. It is blocking. It's right at the intersection of Valley and Chiefburg.
Hold on, man. I already have a call number. Don't need to go there.
Station 136 from utility 236.
Rescue 30.
Copy. Tree, Valley, and Chiefburg. We'll send out the township. Copy. Do you have any more for us here?
Headquarters T330. T330.
I do. Do you guys mind coming up towards me?
Engine 313, transport, you copy or available.
Cumberland Mad Ambulance 182 transporting the Holy Spirit.
Yep, where you want?
I put in
Yeah, 182, 2020.
headquarters, 14th arriving. I put in a poll number for 4109 Chestnut Street, and then you can clear them. I've got two for you. You ready? T330. Rescue 14, 2220. Station 136 from utility 236. 5229 Eaton's Place. E-T-O-N. Copy, 5209 Eaton Place. 5229. Headquarters engine 336 responding on street. Headquarters from Brush 236. You can clear us from the Bonnie Brook Road, East Corridor Road. We'll come back to that. We'll be responding to the CO alarm on Countryside. Engine 336, 2221. Station 361 from utility 236 on company 36. Ladder 36 responding to 2. Alright, I'll just put it back in pending for now.
T12, can you give us a spelling on that, Eden?
E-T-O-N. E-T-O-N, like the electrical panel.
Okay.
Ladder 36, 2221. Actually 36, ladder 36, 110 East Countryside Drive. Or if I see alarms going off, or there's smoke detectors, you're not sure. No conditions, you can use ops 3. Headquarters from Chief 145. Cross of Cambridge Drive and Lancaster Boulevard. Box 1208. Headquarters, Chief 142. Do you have additional information? Chief 145.
Copy.
Chief 114 apparently. Time to. Chief 114 should be to the rear of Boston House, wires down by the loading dock. Also, when you're done that, I do have another incident, Dixon Ave, South 19th, for a tree down. I just self-patched myself at 79 Mare Road in Lower Frankfurt. I have a phone number for you to copy down. And it is an Adams Electric 02-86-8365. Big pine tree fell down. Adams Electric brought to come cut it down. It's hanging on the power wires. Utilities from the station. Chief 145, can I clear you? That's correct. Good. Okay, I guess you get a number. And go to an ops line. Can you check 501 Crestwell while you're out? Okay. Justin, it's wires down. T330 from Fieldcom on 5. Okay. Headquarters Tower 14 responding. Rush 136 headquarters. Rush 136. Tower 14, 2223. Go ahead and clear us off Pine Grove Road. We're heading to 1 Appalachian Road for electrical hazards. Are you going to end up back at Cherokee? Should I put it in pending or just clear it? No, you can clear it.
Just one call after another, folks, after those
Headquarters for
thunderstorms
Q214. If you want to send a
ruined the
ticket to them, call
fireworks
for the
tonight
channel.
on the
Check them
4th
out.
of July.
Rush 136.
We had nasty storms and they caused a lot of damage, took a lot of trees down, a lot of electrical hazards, and the fire calls are going to go well past midnight.
Station 136 from
JMAC
236 on
Firefighter
company
2140
36.
reporting live from Carlisle,
You
Pennsylvania,
will take a poll number.
Cumberland County, PA.
That's very good.
More worried about power lines than I am about general trees.
Norwalk Shippensburg, Episcopal Towers, 201 East Bird Street, apartment 307, unknown conditions class 2 response, box 401, ambulance 673 is due, 2223.
File number is H4025. File number 241-252. Headquarters Chief 117. You can go to House Avenue call.
All the poles and wires and trees down all
Okay,
over the county.
Chief 14 and Chief 117.
It's going to be a long, long night for fire, rescue, and EMS. Here we go.
Upper Frankfort Township, 12 Valley Road, electrical hazard, box 4803, rush 48 is due, 2224. Station 136 from utility 236 on company 36.
That's 5 engine 230. Engine 230. 304 South Drive.
Headquarters, Rush 236 on the scene. Here's nobody's evacuated. Down investigating.
Okay, go ahead.
Rush 236. 2225. You can use ops 3. Headquarters engine 336 on the scene. 336, 2025.
21819 over at 33198. This is service line down to 2 houses.
Cumberland ambulance 673. We're responding, but we didn't get any details on 360. Can you give us the address again?
Engine 230. Can you ask G3 to switch back over here, please? I have a question for him.
Okay.
201 East Bird Street, apartment 307. A female screaming in the apartment for help. No other information. 5575 in Cumberland. 5575 in Cumberland.
East Pennsboro Township, 17 Sulphanola Drive, cardiac arrest class 1 AED response, box 504, company 17 is due, 2225.
Headquarters from 230, you calling?
Chief 117 for safety, needs to be fired. So we run engine 1 to that?
Headquarters utility 172 responding to 3.
Is that Verizon or Comcast?
I believe Verizon.
Alright, I'll take care of it. Thank you. Hello, Matt. Making contact at 5 for the last emergency responding.
Mickey 575. Thank you.
East Pennsboro Township, 17 Sulphanola Drive, cardiac arrest class 1 AED response, Fox 504, Medic 86, Medical Assist Company 17, NICU 185 is due, 2226.
Chief out headquarters.
Philly 117, 2226, 17 South Mill Drive, 54-year-old male, not conscious, not breathing, and we are trying to give instructions. EMS should be at NICU 185, Medic 86.
Attention on 85, Medic 86, calls canceled. 85 in the hospital and responding. 2026.
Chief out.
Okay, we got it. Chief 117 is around, copy info. Copy number 22605 over S33738. That would be 875 Country Club Road. The live line is down underneath the big tree limb blocking the road completely.
Okay, Chief out.
Chief call from utility on Philly Fire.
Chief 117 on EP fire. You're moving on engine 1.
Oh, man, Medic 86 is responding. Go ahead.
86, 85 on the 5 available for the handle.
Copy.
I'm back here on Orchard. There are power lines down in the roadway, and trees are on the wires as well.
Command 2 headquarters. I'll be holding engine 336 and brush 236. Cameraman MS81, can you give me the response? Copy. Can you give me the nearest pole number?
Command 81.
Hey, Command 2. Engine pressure, ladder 3060 direct.
Yes, do you want them here, or do you want me to send a picture?
Ladder's okay.
2227.
Just hit him with me. Hit me with him.
Headquarters from Chief 5 also, did you get any response from PP&L on the 28 Circle Drive call?
They're in storm mode, no ETAs.
Okay, there's 2 poles. If you want, the first one is 231-52 S32643.
I figured that.
We got active fire of a communication line getting close to a house.
I can call them back and see if they can expedite to that one.
Thank you.
Copy 23152-532643. Sorry, that should be an S32643. And you do have service lines down, or do you have residential lines down?
Confirm on the pool number. As best I can tell, it might be the neutral and the primary service.
Copy. Hey, Carter, Rush 48 is flying.
Rush 48, 2020.
Car man, was 385 available.
Ambulance 285, 2020.
Rush 48 for headquarters, just so you're aware, whenever you do get on the incident for a poll number, you're to get that on op spot.
Rush 48 took that.
Headquarters, Philly 117 on the scene.
Philly 117, 2220.
Cumberland, ambulance 673 is on scene.
Command 2 headquarters, Blackson, Hell, we're here somewhere.
Yeah, 673, 23. Into 23.
Headquarters Chief 13, check the comments for 810 Market Street, then you can clear it. Chief 13. Headquarters Chief 214.
Chief 214.
Go ahead and clear the 1999 Dickinson. I'll provide the number, phone number to the EOC to catch up with you on it.
Okay.
The wire is crossing the road impassable. I'm going to tape it off. Headquarters from Squad 30 on Ops 5.
Okay.
Squad 30. Stand by one. 6017 Robert Drive. Tree down, pulling down, big tree pulling down all the wires. I got a pull number there. Give me when you're ready. Squad 30.
Cumberland, the gate 40 arrives at Horse Street.
21230 over S's and Sam. 33232. Okay, Squad 30.
8840, 23.
Headquarters Chief 12, Ops 5.
Case 12.
38 Sussex, there's a poll number in the CAD and some notes. After that, you can clear it. I've got a poll number for 2232 Orchard Road when you're ready to copy. And I do need to make sure that the Liberty Forge road closure is still on PPL's list. Highway crews won't touch the trees until PPL comes through to clear the wires.
They're on my list to call. I'll take care of that one and go to the orchard.
Orchard Road 23152 over S's and Sam 32643.
Case 12. 48-1, the brush 48. Go ahead. Headquarters from Squad 30. Coming back through here to Valley Road, there's limbs and stuff all over the road.
Cumberland, ambulance 673. We're okay here, no need to check.
Squad 30.
Copy. Yeah, on 673, 2033. Any need for a PSP there?
6019, Robert. Complete shear off of the pole, transformer on the ground, leaking oil down the roadway.
Cumberland, ambulance 673. No.
Yeah, on 673.
Go ahead with that, or since it's right down the block, I'll just put it on the same ticket from the 6017. Copy. It's the whole block that's going to need attention here. All right, I'll let them know.
Rush 136 headquarters.
Brush 136.
Chief, we're out of control. Channel 673 from Cumberland. I have an updated address for 1 Appalachian Trail Road. Apple number 1 ready.
Cumberland, ambulance 673.
Go ahead with the
Chief, copy squad. We have TSP on the phone. Are you able to confirm that it's not a domestic related issue?
Cumberland 673. It is not domestic.
Channel 673. The directed address is going to be 462 Old State Road, and the phone number is going to be MED 15582-27139.
Brush 136.
You can also clear us from there.
Headquarters outside, mention 130. Engine 130. Trail wires, Forest Ridge, Candle Lane Drive. Ready with a full number when you are.
Borough of Carlisle, 1311 North Pitt Street, house fire, box
House
4501,
fire.
engine
Roll
company
call off.
45, engine company 41, engine company 38, tower 45 is due, 2234.
Go ahead with it.
Borough of Carlisle, 1311 North Pitt Street, house fire, box 4501, VICU 640 is due, 2235.
Yeah, now we got a house fire in the borough.
PPL
This is gonna be a long fucking night.
22201 over S33276.
Okay, does that make you 1 or 640?
Make you 140.
Engine 130.
Okay. Engine 141 responding with 5.
Engine 141 with 5.
County, come on, Mickey 575.
Engine 141 2235. Mickey 575.
Headquarters, Chief 145 responding.
Chief 145 responding on the
Plus
borough.
4, ISO number when you're ready, if you can contact 499.
House fire.
Yeah, with it.
717-440-3686.
Mickey 575. Chief 145, 2236, 1311 North Pitt Street. Color Vines, there's a small fire in front of the residence. Advise the building's not on fire, just close to 5 feet. And does not see anyone around it. You can use Ops 3. Attention unit 0 respond to 4501 box, use Ops 3.
4501, use Ops 3.
Engine 38 responding 4.
Engine 38-4.
Copy, pushing 3.
Headquarters, engine at tower 45 responding.
Engine at tower 45.
Chief 12, Chief 124. LA Fire.
Engine tower, engine 38, 2036.
Go ahead, 124.
55 responding.
3 down, going with the lines in the backyard. Do you want a full number?
SB6 responding.
Grand 14 from headquarters, copy.
Yes, sir. Do you want to send it to me as a picture, or do you want to just put it to me over the radio? Throw one in for her. Ready to copy.
House block 9022.
21480.
Engine 22. Just got a phone call. We're en route to 173 West Vine for tree down on the vehicle.
Oh, tree on a vehicle.
Engine 22.
21480, and I did not catch the second number.
Any driving, Chief?
Borough of Camp Hill, April Drive and Tringle Road, Auto accident, vehicle with high mechanism, box 1402, ambulance 285, NICU 185, is due 2237.
S as in Sam, 32254. Headquarters Crush 236. Weinberg Road and East York Road is clear. You can clear that off, Chad. Cumberland Medic, Mills 285 responding.
Borough of Camp Hill, April Drive and Tringle Road, auto accident, vehicle with high mechanism, box 1402, engine company 14, squad 13, rescue 30, is due 2237.
25, 23,
182, revenue boy.
yeah, 122.
S32254. And that's for Eaton Drive, correct?
Rush 236.
Fire department audio gonna be uploaded to my YouTube then.
Fire to the front of the
From
resident.
the storm-related calls on the 4th of
SB6
July.
on scene. That's correct.
Cumberland 285 responding.
You guys have access to mobile responder yet?
51 and 5, 2038. Engine tower 45, 2238.
Copy.
I do, but I can't get it to pull the call to you. Headquarters Rescue 14, responding to Trindle.
Copy Rescue 14 responding to Trindle and April Drive.
One for one from Cecil.
Rescue 14, 2238.
Headquarters utility 2515.
Come on, then, man. Can you wait for me from the arrest? And on my rush, please.
Dedicated 1 clear from the arrest.
SB6 on scene. I need somebody at the other end of the block here. That'd be the south end. I have up here at Expo Center.
Medic, anyone?
Headquarters 2.45 from the team. 2025.
Okay, I'll get there as soon as I can.
123, 4.
Attention to Chief 145. You probably want attention 45 in the tower. Small fire out front, no extension.
I have a full number for Criswell Drive. It's going to be 17890-29565. Pole's going to be intact. The line's going to be up. Just a little bit of smoldering at the line of the branch.
Chief, though, do you have another address for Chief, for the meeting member?
Engine 41, copy another.
I do. Hold on, I'm just trying to get back so I can get a decent address for you.
Holding company 45, engine 141, engine 138
Utility
available.
25.
Small fire out front, no extension of the house.
41 is available. Actually, I don't have you assigned to an incident. Which call is this about?
Should be 501 Criswell Drive. And they have had Chief 45 tag on.
Headquarters, engine 230 responding in place of the Very well.
High tank units, you're responding to 45 1 Brock. Fan 3, holding company 45 remainder available. 2231.
South Middleton Township, 43, Bullock Circle, CO alarm, box 24102, engine company 41, ladder 36 is due, 2239.
41 and 36 going for a CO
First one, 36
alarm or
headquarters, you show
monoxide.
the 4535 Carlisle Road for electrical hazards. Rescue 30 in Roundville.
Upper Allen Township, 306, Berkshire Road, fall victim class 2 response, box 2304, VICU 183 is due, 2239.
Rescue 30, 2239. Engine 230, your message. First one, 36.
645 is this in the middle of the block?
You can show it, you're 141 in route, South Middleton Call.
Yes.
We're responding. Yeah, engine 23.
Lily 136 headquarters, 356, Lindsay Road, copy of phone number.
Cumberland, Mickey 183 is responding.
B1 and 3, 2040.
They're coming across.